Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am teacher Neo. In today's video, we are going to go over the word get and got. So let's get started. Do you struggle with the verb get? You're not alone. One small word can have dozens of meanings. Let's learn the most common ones. Get equals receive. I got a gift. I got an email. Get equals become. I got tired. She got angry. Get equals arrive. We got home at 8 p.m. What time did you get here? Get equals buy or obtain. I need to get some milk. Where did you get that shirt? Get equals understand. I don't get it. Now I got it. Or now I get it. Get equals fetch or bring. Can you get my phone? I'll get a glass of water. So past forms, you have present, get, past, got, past participle, gotten, and that's American English. Past participle for British English, got. For example, I get tired. I got tired yesterday. I have gotten better. I have got better. Say these with me. I got a new phone. I got hungry. I got home late. I don't get it. Can you get my bag? The verb get has many meanings, but don't try to learn them at once. Start with these 5 common uses and you'll hear them everywhere in English. Let me know in the comments of any other words you struggle with, and also where are you watching from? I will see you in the next video.